Hello friends, greetings. Welcome to How to VLAN channel. This is DBA VLAN stream. Today in this video we are going to see how to rotate OKV endpoint certificate on a passive node in a OS cluster. When I say passive node, it doesn't have Oracle Home installed also. Oracle Home is also on a shared file system, so it always runs on the active node. So the passive node does not have the database, passive node does not have Oracle Home, passive node does not have Java Home installed. Which means that how on such situations we can get a endpoint certificate rotated on such nodes. So I faced such a situation in my production environment, and I was in discussion, and then I finally figured out the way how to do this, and I'm documenting this for my reference, and maybe you will also benefit from this. If you're interested, stay tuned to the video until the end. Thank you. So the steps. We will set up Java Home on a temporary file system, which should not be temp directory. It should be on a permanent file system, but outside your, maybe in your user profile path, home directory, user home directory, you can set it up. And then using that temporary Java Home, all we need to do is run OKV util list after you rotate the certificate on the portal. And let's see how we do this. All right, let's go to the port. First, I'll show you that I have my database running here. In this my lab, I have both database running and my Oracle Home available, but I am not going to use any of this database binary or not the Oracle Home. Any of the Oracle's pre-built packages. Neither Java is coming from the Oracle Home. It's going to come from an external file system binary. Okay. So the steps. First, copy a temporary Java Home to a permanent mount path. Avoid /tmp since executable failure. Download JDK version 8 here. So what did I do? Footnotes. I used wget Temurian 8 binary from GitHub. I downloaded this particular version, and I created a directory. Here it was my /home Oracle user. This is the path. I downloaded it here, and I created a directory called java 1.8, and then I unzipped it here. So that I will show you. I already finished it. But still show you that. So this is my temporary Java base. So just follow me. So I'm in the DB directory. You can see here, and I created a temp Java base. In the temp Java base, I ran the wget command, and it connected and it downloaded my binary. You can see here it downloaded nearly 100 and plus MBs. And once it's done, I created a directory called java 1.8, and then I unzipped this into this particular destination java 1.8, and it created a subdirectory underneath java 1.8. And when I went inside it, there is one more subdirectory, java 8 update 462 build 08. So I checked if there is any Java in my path, and there is none. So I went inside this and I checked inside the bin. There is a Java binary available. So then I set the bin directory for Java, and I checked whether Java is available. So Java version, Open JDK version 8 1.8, Java runtime environment, Temurian. Open JDK Temurian. I wanted to keep this portable. I don't want to use yum or any sort of package manager which may collapse my user/bin or user bin any path. I don't want to put them in any shared path which will replace the current setup. So I don't want to do that. So I kept it in an isolated environment. Oracle's Java is also an isolated environment under Oracle Home. But still I don't want to do this in the /user or /bin, which we can conflict with the Oracle's binary. So this is done. So you might have seen this already. So now if I show you that, I'll just clear this session. So get to see a very clear session. Having completed the Java setup, I will just show you this if it works or not. You can see in my current path there is no aura, there is no OKV set. Switch Java and Java version, and you can see it properly points to DB8 temp base Java 1.8, and you can see Java OpenJDK version 1.8 build. So provider is Timurian, I think, but it's OpenJDK package. So this is done. Now all I need to do is test whether this Java is working fine or not using the OKV home. I have to try running the OKV util list. It will prompt us for the password. So it works with the current Java binary. So we will try uh, running the and if I don't have the Java path, I wanted to show you what error I may get. Let's see that too. If I just have OKV home, if I run this, it may prompt me for the password. Let's see without Java home, what would be the error I get. Okay, it lists. Hmm. It's quite interesting to me. Did not prompt anything. Alright, let's record where it, which Java it actually uses. So I did not expect this behavior. Which Java are you using? Oracle clearly says they need Java. Hmm. Okay. All right, you can see now. I tested this. Okay, so when I ran that OKV utility, it still reported the Java, right? It still was reporting fine, right? So I ran a strace on that, and strace could show me that it's still picking the Java from the Oracle home. So what did I do? I renamed the Oracle home path. So now if you see, you will not see this path. I renamed this to something else until my test is done and I have brought the database down for the duration. So now if I run the OKV util without any Java binaries, you can see grep OKV, and if I run OKV util, Java home property specified in the conf OKV client.ora must point to a valid JDK or JRE installation. Because the OKV client.ora was existing, it was referring to the .ora file and then it was picking it up, I think. So now if I get this file, even I could have adjusted this, I think, but I don't want to manually touch this file. OKV client.ora. See here, there is a Java home variable stored here. Now that path doesn't exist. Now we are going to supply the OKV home, sorry, the Java home manually, and see if this is able to influence the OKV util list. All right, let's get started. Now, since we already have the Java base, Java home, now it's a very clean state, guys. So believe me, there is nothing. OKV is still there, but we are going to see if this works. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. That's it. We need to probably adjust the OKV client.ora, which I am not interested to do because it's not supported by Oracle also. It's built during the OKV enrollment. All right, let's try this. Yeah, will it prompt? Yeah, it prompted me for the password. Last time it did not even prompt me for the password. It just failed, saying you don't have the Java home properties set. The value is not used. Let's see if it works. Then in that case, I'll trace it using strace. Yeah, it works. So yeah, we will trace it using strace now. new J. Yeah. Okay, so I'll run the OKV util again. Let's see if it works fine. Then only I'm going to actually go for the certification rotation. It works. Now let's access what Java home was used to. It should have attempted something and it should have gone. Alright, let's see. It went to the Java bin in the local home directory. This is our home path, isn't it? Java home. So home Oracle DBA, temp Java base, Java 1.8, B0.8. Okay, that was nice. So it used the right home path. So it's okay. Did it find all it what needs? What it needs? Just go for. This is the important RSO file, I think. libjava.so. If I run the same as trace, if you run it here, libjava.so. Here the limited number of java.so was framed, but I don't know. Here it is libzip. Repeated libjava.so is there. Fine. Anyway, we have what it did, what we need. Now let's try to rotate the certificate and assess it. So rotate the certificate. Now this is done. Current certificate status we need to do, isn't it? So we just go here. It's expired. Alright. Alright, you can see here. This is the endpoint we are trying to rotate. Endpoint we sent to is Oracle GG SA GGTGD 060. It already has is it 30 days to expire? Oh, this is Oracle SA one. No, this is the one we endpoint we sent to is 7 in Oracle GGD 060. We already rotated this in another video. It has time until 19 June 2027, but we are going to rotate it. So this we recorded it as we speak. It has time until June 2027, right? And then we are going to rotate the certificate. I selected it using the left check mark, so you can see here. Yes, June 2027 expiry date 19 June 2027. Picks up the Java home base setup. Rotate the certificate. Yes, sir. Let's rotate it. Yeah, it's being rotated now. All right, let's give it a minute. It should throw me a message saying it's been rotated and its status should move from CA to being updated to the current certificate provider. Then things will happen. It takes few minutes. My laptop is very slow as well. So takes a while. Okay, sorry about this. So And a production cluster under it won't take this much time. It takes a minute or two. This my laptop is 6th gen laptop, so a 6th gen CPU, so it takes time. Yeah, certificate rotation. One or more endpoints rotated successfully. Certificate rotation is in progress. That's and post rotation is in progress. One or more endpoints successfully rotated. Now collect the new certificate status. So if I go here and Oracle GGT 60. 20 June 2026 now. New data. 2026, but this is updating to CA changed to issuer. Now we need to pull the certificate to make this updated to CA. Let's do that. I'll just reuse a new session. I will not use the existing session to keep it very clean and to make it very trustworthy. So nothing is there. Let's shoot. So this is the Java path. With Java version 1.8, 1.6, 1.7, 1.8, which means 7, 6, 6, 7, 8 are the only supported version. OKV util. So why are you not? Yeah, it won't report on because we are anyway referencing the whole path. Alright, so there is nowhere else the Java coming from, it's coming from here. And Oracle home is still product. See, it's still renamed. It's not the right one. If I show you that, OKV underscore home slash conf OKV client.org. You can see here this path is user on app Oracle product 19 db underscore 1. We kept it on db underscore 1 underscore 2. So it's not going to pick this up. Let's run this list and let's verify if everything's fine. Let's see if it picks up the certificate from the right node. It's a multi-master setup in my case. So 222, 223. We are connected to 122 and 123 is another node. Let's see if it has picked up the right node. So since I already compiled the certificate, let's see if it has changed. No, I think it went to the other node. So certificate rotation is still in progress. The first update did not make it through. First fetch failed. Fetch 1 still did not make to dot 122, the rotation node. Let's try fetch 2 now. And we have to keep doing this until we get it. So for that to see which node it goes to, let's do with verbose 4. This should print me on which node it is connecting. Yes, it does not work. Fetch Java. It does not work. This is what happened to me in production as well. It does not work. Work. Hmm. It says a server connect failed, but it's not server connect failed, it's incorrect password. Why would it not work? It's trying 122, 123, it fails over to both the nodes and then it fails finally. First run after the before the certificate is rotated, it keeps working. But after the certificate is rotated, it doesn't work. But I can see the certificate here rotated successfully. You can see here the path does exist. See here, the path does exist. The new wallet is downloaded, but then it breaks. Now I don't have any other choice. I need to re-enroll my certificate. This is gone. I need to re-enroll because it got a wrong certificate. It will never be able to connect with them. Probably I'll just put my Oracle Home back again. See if it works. I don't think it works because I tried this already. I will not set up temporary Java Home. I'll go back to the Oracle Java Home and I will rename my Oracle Home U01 tab U01 app Oracle product. So this is Oracle Home renamed. Next, I just set my GGT 060 and I will set my OKV home. This is my profile path. I set everything. OKV home and Oracle home are set now. Java underscore home equals Oracle underscore home slash JDK. Path equals dollar path colon Java underscore home slash bin Java version. So it's picking the Java from Oracle binary now. Let's see if this still picks it up. Fine, at least it's able to connect now. It will take the username and password, but it's not going to work. Yeah, it doesn't work. This is what happened to me. It doesn't work. Nice. So this is proved. It's not going to work. Um, even after so many validations. I stop here. This solution is not going to work. No. Fine. Let's pass here. Thank you. I don't think this temporary Java home ever works. Thank you. So, yep. It does not. I don't know why it doesn't work. It break up the current certificate also. I need to re-enroll now, download the new jar file, push it here, and then there are steps I need to do. Now our database also will not work. I need to anyway keep the database in shutdown state for re-enrolling. Thanks guys, this is all about it. So temporary Java home does not work. Go with your rotate option or re-enrollment option. That's all. This is all for this video. Thank you. Goodbye.